Hey guys, checking in with our very first spreadsheet update here today, and I've made a couple of pretty significant changes since I released it a couple of days ago. So the first thing that we're looking at is, of course, we have a completely new system for evaluation. So rather than having your range just out and plugging in or switching up your error, turn, play, and arm, I now have it so that you have them all out here directly, and you also are now able to see the values for each of these individually affecting your player, so you could tell exactly how much each individual rating is going to change things, and of course, what your player's composition is defensively. I also balanced third base, which was pretty significantly off actually before I made changes to it. So we now have these breaks in the system. So these are now piecewise functions where after a certain point it switches to a different amount as the changes in the function are different at that point. So as you can see, our ratings for third base are now significantly different. I currently have this system where the 200 across the board on the 1 to 250 rating for third base is about 20 runs really lower than it was before for the expected run prevention numbers. I think this new interface is going to be much more convenient for you guys to use in terms of switching things up and such, and also being able to see more things. And it's also a lot less to look at, so you're not having to move back and forth between where all the range numbers are. Pretty much those two things are all we've got, so just an update on the third base, and I believe, what is it? Second base error, maybe something on shortstop. No, just third base range and arm, and second base error. I have adjusted the equations to include piecewise functions. This greatly increased our accuracy with the run prevention numbers. Hope this is helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next update when I have things to add to this.